Hello, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the difficulty level in FIFA 26, so stay with me and enjoy watching. At first we have to open the FC26 settings, so press the gear icon over here, then move to the first option, which is settings, and now open the game settings and move to the match tab over here. The third option will be difficulty, so here you have to choose which one you want to use. If you want to use the legendary, the beginner, amateur or semi-pro and professional, world class, that depends of your skill and how hard you want to your opponent be. If you choose the legendary, then you have a few available options additionally, so you can choose a competitor mode, and this enables the settings to face a more challenging opponent that simulates the playstyle of some of the world's best FC players. So this is a very good option if you want to add some difficulty to your game. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!